Now the only thing I can see that's wrong is it looks like there's a dead spider on the sensor. Hey everyone, welcome back to BA Performance. Today we're going to be working on something that's not a car but is car related. We are going to be working on the LiftMaster LJ8900W. So the problem I'm having is that the door only goes down about 6 or 8 inches and then it goes back up for unknown reason. And so if we lift this up, there is some lights here. Let's turn my light off here. So I think we can activate this. So yeah, now we've set it so that it's telling us the codes. So we count it. 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go to our holy book here, the owner's manual, and we flip that open to code Diagnostics. Okay, and then of course 1.5 is like the biggest section, but basically it has my description of what was wrong here. And then it says replace travel module if necessary, and I've deduced that that is necessary. So I have a travel module. Set that there for now. Here is the travel module. It comes with a wiring harness. This was about $20, and it comes with instructions. So we will follow the instructions. Turn our light back on here. The instructions, first it says to unplug it. We'll do that. And then it says to open the panel. We've already done that. 3, remove the battery cover. So the battery cover is right here, and we'll be removing that one screw. So we remove the battery. Next it's saying to remove these wires. So it says to label them so you remember where they go. What I'm going to do is just take a picture so I remember where they go. Alright, so I have the wires spanned out here in the direction they go in. So first plug, second plug, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So all I have to do is flip them back up and they'll go in the according holes. Next it wants us to open up the logic board here, which looks like it's just one screw there. Alright, now it says to unplug the wiring harness from the logic board. So I'm assuming I have to unplug 1, 2, 3, 4 things here. And then I will also have to take out 4 screws. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. Alright, next I need to remove this plastic cover, and there's 4 screws. So there's one here, one here, one here, and one way back there. Now that one's going to be a problem because it's mounted so close to this big plate here that I just can't get to it real easy. Maybe I can find a ratchet or something to get back there. Also, it said to set the logic board to the side, but mine has this yellow wire soldered to it, so I just have it hanging right now. Hopefully, oh, I guess the yellow wire is connected to nothing, so good thing I played with that. So we'll set this to the side. Alright, I have the panel now. I got it out with a 1/4-inch drive socket. I have it hanging down here. I totally messed up all my wires that I had in a nice order there, so hopefully with the help of the picture I can figure out how those are going to go back in there. So now you can see the travel module and the 2 screws that hold that in are again blocked by this plate and they're Phillips heads. So to figure out a way to get these two screws out, then I can take this travel module out. And my kit also came with a wire harness, so I'll probably be replacing that also. So I'm going to see if I can get them screws out. Alright, here's the technique I'm using to get the screw out. I have the awful angle, but I'm going through the hole there. And if I turn it just right, I can get it to turn. So it is possible. It should now come out. I really don't see a problem with it. Take it down and inspect it a little closer. So I don't know if you guys can see that or not there, but so these on this top one, see there's different spaces in between the grooves there, and then there's this green panel here, so that's reading the spaces in between those grooves and telling the garage door how far open and close it is. Now the only thing I can see that's wrong is it looks like there's a dead spider on the sensor. But we got the new part, so we're going to put it in anyway. And we're also going to cut the zip ties and put in the new wiring harness, even though there's probably nothing wrong with the wiring harness. So we got the new parts, might as well put them in. Alright, logic board's back in. Let's see if we can get this stuff plugged back together here. Oh, that one goes way over there. I didn't quite give myself enough slack. There it is. Alright, so logic board and wiring harness is all back in. Next we're going to put on the cover. Alright, hopefully I have those wires hooked up correctly. We're going to plug it in and go through the procedures of resetting the door opening here. So, ladder's really close to the door there, but we should be fine. Let's check the book here quick. Alright dudes and dudettes, I fixed the garage door. You have to read the program thing and how it goes up and down basically, and you can get it programmed pretty easily. And then I accidentally erased all my keys, so I had to relearn this button. And I got kitty cats here running back and forth, but I'll try and get it to go down. Alright, and back up. Alright, so we are back in full functional action. Garage door going up and down with ease. Thanks for watching. If you guys learned anything, please subscribe to the channel. We do lots of cool, fun car stuff. That's all for today. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.